Hello dear buyer who is watching this video now. Welcome to Jinmei. Today we're going to talk about our main product. Let's take a look. C18 double coils wireless car charger for Samsung Z Flip mobile phone. This is our hot product. It has double coils wireless car charger for larger chair charging area, suitable for all sizes of mobile phones and Samsung Galaxy Z Flip series. It has built-in cooling fan, cool the phone and wireless charging circuit board. It has smart LED indicators and press buttons on both sides. There you go, guys. Tap the link below to learn about these products or tap chat to ask me more information.